Welcome to Emersil. Hi friend, today I'm sharing how to embroider weaving stitch. Don't rush. First, I will embroider a flower. A big white chrysanthemum. It looks a bit like a sunflower. However, today I absolutely do not plan to embroider sunflowers. Let's keep this flower for another time. I will embroider later. Now, I will embroider the flower stem with satin stitch combined with long and short stitch. These two stitches are quite versatile. I love using them in my works. Next, I will embroider the petals. Very quickly, I'm using the satin stitch with 3 strands of thread. Next, I will use 2 lighter color threads plus 1 darker color thread. I will embroider the second round of petal with this color combination. Just interesting. Give me a line right away. In the third layer of petals, some bigger petals will be embroidered with long and short stitches, and small petals will be embroidered with satin stitches. Please subscribe to Emersil channel to watch more tutorial videos. And don't forget to give this video a like to get more views. Will you have fun watching the video? Okay, today's main part is here. In this video, I will show you how to embroider weaving stitch for the stamens. First, secure the thread parallel like this. The thickness or thickness is decided by the embroiderer. This stitch is good for filling. Then, stitches are made vertically, weaving through the horizontally laid stitches, going up and down alternately. Continue with the second line. Keep intertwining like that until the end of the step. Here I use two colors. If you don't like it, you can just use one color. I embroidering very thickly, but you can embroider more sparsely. Maybe your work will be very beautiful too. Just try to be creative. If getting the needle through the thread in one go is too difficult, you can bat the needle through it 2 or 3 times or more. I did the same. Have you noticed? So I have finished sharing how to embroider weaving stitch. It's so easy and simple.